Hi, my name is Kerrie O'Reilly. I'm now going to take you through the technique that I've used on my model liner for the latest bedhead collection. Start by creating a profile and radial parting. Begin at the nape area, taking horizontal partings and applying formula number 1 to the new growth mid-lengths and ends. Continue until the back sections are complete. Progress onto the side section and take a slight diagonal parting. Take a textured weave, apply formula number 2 with a freehand blending technique, continue until the section is complete, leaving a small triangular section under the profile parting. Repeat on the opposite side. Apply formula number 1 to the remaining hair. Process for up to 40 minutes. Tone the pre-lightened areas, processing visually for up to 20 minutes. Finally, rinse and remove using the recommended aftercare.